Well, hey, looky there. It's free.
She's free. The ancient terror squid is a girl.
Really? Huh. Handsome woman.
You know what, friend? You're all right. I tell you what, why don't you take the wheel?
You mean it? Well, let's do it. Oh.
Hey, man, aren't you forgetting something? Right. There, you see there? That isn't good. You'll need to get to the crossbows after I load them up. A few shots from those bad boys should bring that beast down a notch. Fire Viper. This crossbow is ready to fire. Locked and loaded. Let's bring this beast down. He's down. Go break up those crystals. You don't look so good. Here, have some of this. Things, Skylander! Uh-oh. You better duck behind that terror squid tentacle. He's down! Go break up those crystals. You don't look so good. Here, have some of this. Crystals. You don't look so good. Here, have some of this. Way to go! Keep at it until you destroy all those crystals. You don't look so good. Here, have some of this.
Portal Master, rank up.
You may have delayed my inevitable victory so far, but now it is time for you to taste the bitter taste of defeat. At the hands of chaos! Ha! Double Winnikins! You've all been cast into the never-ending pit of colossal defeat. Ha ha ha! Not now! I'm savoring my conquest!
Lord Chaos? I really think you should see this.
What is the meaning of this, you freeloaders? This is my evil lair, and you're all trespassing. Now get out!
That's no way to talk to your guests.
Mother! What are you doing here?
What any loving evil mother would do for her desperately flailing son in his hour of need. I've come to help. And I've brought a few friends.